What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Thursday over here. A little bit of a later post today. This is my third post for YouTube. So you're going to see a little bit of a light on my face. But on this post, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. It is up above 26.5K. Had a pretty good move earlier today and earlier yesterday. So it's been a pretty good uptrend for Bitcoin so far. Let's see if this continues. Let's see if this Bitcoin pump will translate into anything for ANKR, right? ANKR will be the main topic of this post today, and we're going to be taking a look into what has happened since my last post. Gonna see if those upwards and downwards price targets need to be updated, as well as some key price levels the price action does need to break in order to go either direction. Going to be giving you guys my personal opinions and sentiments on this market, so stay around for that later in this video. Of course, all of this is purely my speculations and opinions only. It is not financial advice. I am not an elite trader or a financial advisor of any sorts, even though I am a profitable trader who's been able to keep most of my profits in the last bear market. But I am looking to crush it here for the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. So currently we do have, let's scroll down to ANKR. So on ANKR here, let's take a look into, I think it was the 3-day time frame last time where we had a falling wedge here. Okay, I like the 3-day time frame here because we do have 3 closer touches to this bottom trend line. Notice that the second touch here is not exactly a touch, but I am still going to consider this as a falling wedge pattern, in my opinion. So let's take a look into this time frame here. And I basically moved the measure target from what it was last time, because it has not broken out yet, but it is very close to this upper trend line here. So based on this, I'm gonna pick a expected breakout date. Okay, it's gonna be random, but I think it's appropriate because it's pretty close to this upper trend line here. Okay, so if I pick this point to be about September 25th here, okay, it has no significance. It might or might not break out by then, but it's basically what I'm choosing just to get a sense of what the measured target is. Okay, if it breaks out by then, I don't think this is what I'm looking at. We're gonna take a new measurement of the opening of the pattern because I think that measurement was for a sub pattern that did not break out. Okay, so we're going to take a measurement here of the opening of the pattern here, and then you put it on top of the expected breakout point. That will give you a measure target of almost 5 cents. Okay, right underneath 5 cents here. Sorry, let me that's based on this 3-day candle. Okay, let's move it over to September. Okay, September 25th. That's what I said. No significance again. It's just a random breakout point that will take you to about 4.7 cents. Okay, that's still a pretty significant move. Of course, it is an estimate only. Okay, it could be over, under. It could still take some time for it to get there, right? Do your own Google searches on what measure targets, measure moves mean. And of course, all these trading concepts I am talking about, don't just take my word for it, right? It's public knowledge. Now let's go ahead and take a look into some key price levels that the price action does need to break in order to go to the upside. So I am just going to explore the major moving averages here because I am not going to look at every candlestick. You guys can do that on your own to look at further detailed resistances based on the time frames you guys are trading on. But on a monthly time frame here, it looks like the monthly 21 SMA is currently at about 3.7 cents area. That's the blue line. Weekly 21 and the 50, which is the blue and the gray line, is currently at about 24 cents area to about 26 cents area. Weekly 200 SMA is about the 4.2 cents area. 3-day 21 is at about 2.2 cents area. The 50 SMA is 2.4 cents. 200 SMA is about 3.6 cents area. And then daily moving averages, you can basically see this for yourself. If you have the 21, 50, and 200 SMA set up, I encourage you guys to do so, right? That's basically what I look at in terms of assessing the resistances for this time frame. All right, let's take a look into the downside. Since we don't have any major moving averages on the downside, we're going to take a look into past trading history from candlesticks. I'm going to take a look into this monthly time frame here because it gives me a cleaner look, right? So the first support here I'm seeing would be, well, we're basically at one, right? At about that 18 cents, no, excuse me, 1.8 cents area, right? 1.8 cents area. And then we have 1.5 cents area, 1.4 cents area, and so on. You guys can refer to this past group of candlesticks here for some key supports going downwards on this monthly time frame. Okay, so if you guys have made it this far into this video and don't already have a Weeble account and want to get some free stocks, then make sure to check out my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks valued up to $3,000. Terms and conditions do apply when you guys use my referral link down below. I will also get a referral bonus if you guys use my link below. I did enjoy using Weeble as an exchange to trade both cryptos and stocks. But with any one exchange, I would not put all or most of my money on any one exchange. I personally diversify my money across different exchanges in case one goes down, I don't get wrecked. If that sounds like something that makes sense to you, check out my link below. All right, let's take a look into the Bitcoin chart here. Talk about this recent Bitcoin trend, right? So Bitcoin has been able to stay away from the double top pattern, the massive double top pattern here on this weekly time frame so far. You know, the next key resistance here is going to be pretty dense around that 28K area. With the recent move here, we did have a breakout of this 4-hour falling wedge, right? Now basically at the 4-hour 200 SMA. Measure target is about 29.2. Let's see if it gets there. Like I said, quite a bit of resistance at about that 28K area. Okay, if price action continues upwards for Bitcoin, obviously it's going to be a lot better for the crypto markets as a whole, a lot of the altcoins. So that's what I'm looking at. My overall sentiment on this market is bullish right now, right? And so that's what I'm seeing. Now, I don't have ANKR, but if you guys do want to continue seeing ANKR, do drop a like, comment, subscribe. If enough of you guys want to see it, I will bring you guys a follow-up. Thank you very much. Have a good rest of the day. See you guys later.